In this video, you will learn how to email and download payslips in Myaccountant either in bulk or for individual employees. From the left menu, click on Payroll, then click on Pay Runs. In the Pay Runs screen, click on the Pay Runs tab. Open the pay run record for which you want to send or download payslips. Click on the three dots on the right of the employee record and choose Download Payslip. This opens a PDF format of that employee's payslip from that pay run. Once open, you can choose to print this payslip. You may need to enable pop-ups in your browser if required. To email this payslip to the employee, return to the Pay Run window and click on the three dots on the right of the employee record and choose Email Payslip. This will send the payslip via email to that employee. To bulk email, click the drop-down menu button in the top right above the Pay Run table. Select Email Payslips. Confirm to send payslips to all employees. To download payslips for all employees, click the drop-down menu button in the top right above the Pay Run table. From the drop-down menu, select Download Payslips. This will download PDF copies for all employees in a zip file. That's how you email and download payslips in Myaccountant, whether for one employee or your entire team. Useful tips: ensure employee email addresses are correct in their profiles. You can resend payslips anytime if an employee didn't receive it.